Hi, hello, welcome back. Long back ago, once upon a time, ऐसे हो चुका है अभी. But I just wanted to come here for a very quick story, and there's a reason for it. I have been going through ऐसे a lot of thoughts and a lot of जीवन में बोझ हो गया है बहुत type of zone lately, and there are a lot of reasons also for it. But now I'm feeling better, a lot of better. I'm just dressed up for this one video, and I have a meeting in half an hour, so I have to wrap up because I cannot show in the meeting like this. Maybe I can. Anyways, so quick story this is going to be. So today is Ram Navami. Am I going to edit it? Yeah, I'm going to edit it. Ed is going to edit it. Anyways, so this is a quick faith story which brought a lot of hope and positivity to me, and I was like, I'm going to share this with you guys because everybody needs hope on their bad days. Okay, chalo, let's get into the story. So this is a true story. This is not a vlog kind of thing because I will be putting as a clips and all, and you guys have seen the thumbnail, so you would be like, oh, this is a vlog. No, this is not. Scam. But this is like a experience. That is more important, right? Experience. I'm going to share some experience. ठीक है. So this is a story about we got an amazing opportunity to witness Sri Ramji's Murti in Partagali, Goa, and we went there. This is about December, first weekish, and we went there, and obviously people who know GSBs, who know from the country, people have come down to see it, to witness the magic created by Swamiji, and it is the best experiences you could ever have. Like, it was so spiritual, it was so divine, and people who have been following the entire process for last 2-3 years, a lot of efforts have been put in and a lot of things are there. Okay, so coming down straight to the story, so we went through Pune. So we went in a bus and all, and so many people together, and it was a fun trip. Kiski gaadi hai re? Anyways, focusing on this story, this is going to go like this. I'm not going to sit and edit it. So the story goes like, we have been actively a part of Naam Japs. People who are from GSB and who knows about all of this know, and people who don't know, just understand. Okay, just try to understand. I'm making you try to understand. Okay. So we have been actively part of Ram Naam Japas, which is Sri Rama Jai Rama Jai Jai Rama, and this inauguration, we had this amazing opportunity to witness Sri Ramji's idol, which is the biggest Sri Ramji's idol in this country and world, I guess. Yes, I'm sure about that. Yes. And we were for 2 days there, and it was highly crowded. I'm so happy that the crowd was there. It was very crowded, and GSBs are known for their food, and there was so much rush at the food. So because obviously eating is the priority, and the food was too good. People, volunteers, everybody out there have put in so much of the effort to manage everything smoothly. Commendable job. I mean, amazing management. Hats off. Managing so much of crowd, looking for everybody, managing food and everything is so difficult, yet done so smoothly. Best. And the food was also very good. The variety offered was amazing. So said that, one of the experiences being, so we went there, and we had waited in the queue for dinner. Okay, and I and my mother, we both are not people, like, we are not a very crowd friendly people. Like, post COVID, we have, I don't know why, but we are now turning a little claustrophobic people who are like, a lot of people, then we start being breathless, which is like a very bad thing, guys. You shouldn't be. So the moment there's a lot of people, we tend, or my anxiety shoots, and I'm like, shit, I'm suffocating, or you know what is happening, and I go breathless, and that's like a personal problem. Working on it. So there was a lot of queue, and everybody was very disciplined, and everybody was patiently standing and things like that. What happened was, there was a small child, and obviously children tendencies, they started crying, and we had a lot of elderly people with us, and things like that were there, and there was almost 2 to 3 hours of waiting, 2 to 3 hours of line out there. So we were patiently waiting for 2 to 3 hours altogether, but somehow what happened was, one of the child was being Bichara, I don't know what happened with that child. The child started vomiting maybe because of the heat also, because of the crowd, because of the restlessness. The child started crying a lot and started vomiting, and the parents obviously panicked and they started rescuing the child out, like rescuing in the sense, ki make way, we will not stand in the queue. And seeing that, I panicked, and we all were like, Arey, I guess let us also leave with them because it is being very suffocating, and I know I can't. I panic. So I was like, it's okay if we don't eat. There's not a big deal for me, honestly, but I won't say it for all. But it's like, it's okay. We will go from other queues. There were so many queues, and we were like, we will manage somehow, and we will do something. But it's okay. So we were very. So I was like, let's go. And everybody else also, because there were elderly people who were like 60-70 years, they also like, हाँ, let's go. 3 hours we are at least standing only or sitting only, जो भी कर रहे थे. बाहर चलते हैं. So we went out, and we went full out of the to discuss कि अभी आगे क्या करना है. तो we were discussing कि it's okay, रहने देते हैं, हमने तो ट्राई किया ना खाना हमने तो ट्राई किया, तो रहने देते हैं, it's okay, चलेगा करके. तो cut to we are standing and discussing कि अभी आगे क्या करना है. So there comes 2-3 people who were known to us, and they were like, हो गया खाना खा के, and जवन जल रहा है, and they all asked ऐसा greetings चल रहा है, and we were like, नहीं, we explained everything what happened, and there is a lot of queue, and because there were so many elderly people, and also थोड़ा सा हमें suffocation types हो गया था because थोड़ा सा है दिक्कत. तो we were like, because queues in general are very hectic, तो we were like, नहीं हो पाया. And I was wondering कि I guess we won't be able to eat, or I guess we won't, और हम नहीं मिलेगा यार. इट्स ओके, नॉट अ बिग डील. आना ही वहाँ पे इतनी बड़ी जब बात थी, पहुँचना ही वहाँ पे was such a big deal. It was not at all planned, it was not at all thought also, and I तो had different plans altogether. वो तो मैं कभी और ही दिन बताऊँगी कि मैं वहाँ पहुँची कैसे. पर it was such a fortunate experience, और इतना सब बढ़िया हो रहा है. So it's okay if we skip lunch, or skip dinner. फर्क पड़ता है. let's attend the program, let's attend आशीर्वचनम of Swami ji, and let us go further. ऐसा वगैरह हमारा डिस्कशन चल रहा था. Cut to there comes a person who is like known person, and he's like, अरे नहीं आप लोग मेरे साथ आओ, मैं कर लूँगा, तुम लोगों की सेटिंग कर दूँगा. And I was like, how is this going to happen? क्योंकि हमने देखा है भीड़ है बहुत, और हर एक क्यू में भीड़ है. इट इज़ नॉट लाइक कि एक क्यू में नहीं है, दूसरे क्यू में. देयर इज़ क्यू इन ऑल ऑफ दिस, एंड वी ट्राइड इन ऐसा थोड़ा VIP टाइप्स तो होता है ना, थोड़ा सिटिंग एरिया जहाँ पे जल्दी हो जाता है, तो सिटिंग है, बफे है, उन सब में हमने ट्राई कर लिया था. एंड वी वर लाइक, हमें पता है कितना ज़ोर से झाड़ू निकाल रहा है. एनीवेज, तो हमें पता है कि नहीं मतलब नहीं मिल रहा है. इट्स ओके, मे बी श्री राम जी वॉन्ट्स दिस ओनली, ऐसा वगैरह हमारा अंदर ही अंदर चल रहा था, और अंदर से चीखें निकल रही है कि भाई व्हाट इज दिस गॉड, व्हाट इज दिस, हम इतनी दूर से आए हैं वगैरह वगैरह भी चल रहा है. ओके, साइमल्टेनियसली. एंड कट टू व्हाट हैपेंस इज, ही इज लाइक, नहीं आप लोग मेरे साथ आओ, मैं आपको खिला के रहूँगा. आई वाज लाइक, व्हाट, रियली, व्हाट? and we are like, ठीक है, ट्राई करके देखते हैं. ट्राई करने में क्या है, मोस्ट ऑफ देम इन दैट एंटायर ग्रुप ऑफ like 15-16 people, almost 10 of them were like, नहीं हमसे नहीं हो पाएगा, because I told you it was elderly people more were there. They were like, sorry, we cannot come again and we cannot stand in queues. And he was telling us, नहीं मैं आपका करवा दूंगा, fast करवा दूंगा, but to walk again the entire way down, they were like, नहीं हो पाएगा. So almost 10-12 people went back. They're like, no, we'll sit in the auditorium. We went back. So cut to, we were just 5 to 6, 7 people were left. And I'm like, ठीक है, try करके देखते हैं, चांस मार के देखते हैं, अगर मिल गया खाना तो अरे God's grace only types. Okay, and we cut to sit there, and so he goes through some ways, and ऐसा कुछ ऐसा थोड़ा गली से मंदिर से वापस ऐसे कुछ करके हम वहाँ पहुँचे. I kid you not, we reached there, and we don't even have to stand in the queue. वो किसी ऐसे, I guess it was like a VIP zone-ish, but there also we had seen there was queue in that zone also. But the moment we reached there, the first hand ऐसे पहुँच जाते हो, और लाइन कहाँ से, लाइन यहाँ से प्लेट लो, प्लेट हाथ में है, कैसे? We saw there was a line, and there were 4-5 hours का लाइन. ऐसा नहीं था कि 1 घंटा रुकना, हम खुद 3 घंटे रुके थे. And cut to, there was like ऐसा हाथ में प्लेट. ओके, और हम 5 जन, there were people sitting of course, हम 5-6 जन, and that person हाथ में, and entire, and they are like, eat जितना चाहिए उतना खाओ वगैरह. And the serving volunteer, I got so emotional कि यार, how Shri Ram Ji's grace, oh my God, जय श्री राम वगैरह से. I am very emotional also as a person. Anyways, तो वो प्लेट ऐसे, and in the plate they started serving. And that volunteer was looking at me, and I was like, yeah, I'm a little emotional. And he's like, what happened? And I told him the entire story and how people backed up and went. Also, a few people, we all dispersed, and we were waiting from 3 to 4 hours, and we have traveled since morning. And the entire journey I told him, and I thought we would go ऐसे ही ना भूखे पेट चले जाते या फिर कुछ और चटर पटर खा लेते. But I didn't know कि ये डिनर तो मेरे नसीब का डिनर नहीं है, ये मैं तो नहीं, मुझको तो नहीं मिलने वाला था. So he smiles back and tells me, क्या बात कर रही हो तुम? You are at Sri Ram Ji's place and you would go empty stomach? क्या बात कर रही हो करके he smiled back at me. And the person who took us all over here, and we had our and people are serving a double खा लो करके. And we are telling जो लोग गए थे ना वापस, उनको फोन करके बोल रहे आ जाओ, सच में खाना मिल रहा है, फास्ट हो रहा है, आ जाओ. And they were like नहीं हम अभी नहीं आ सकते. And the person who just invited us, मतलब हो गया वो सब. And then he told me what, दाने दाने पे लिखा है खाने वाले का नाम, वो तो हो ही गया. And also you realize कि how much grace is there. This, some people will say this is a coincidence, and I know. But I'll tell you what, before going to dinner, there is a Ashirvachanam by Swamiji, and he told this one particular line which ऐसा fit हो गया था मेरे दिमाग में कि तुम करो आराम, राम करेंगे काम. Okay, राम करेंगे काम, तुम करो आराम. And I was like, how? हमें क्या आराम करना है और श्री राम जी क्या काम करेंगे? ऐसे कैसे काम बनवा देंगे भाई? बनवा दिया. हमने क्या किया? कुछ नहीं. He did it. And I kid you not, today when we were discussing this incident, and I got sudden so much of hope कि यार चिल करना दीदी, अंदर से आया मेरा ऐसा कि यार चिल करना दीदी, हो जाएगा ना ठीक. क्या ही फर्क पड़ा, थोड़ा हाथ पैर मार रही है तो ठीक है ना, चिल करना, तो इतना चीख क्यों कर रही है, हो जाएगा ना ठीक. So that confidence you get, right, that is magic of faith. The power you get within, that is magic of only you can get by faith. And I'm so grateful for this entire opportunity, and I'm so grateful to be a part of this and to witness this. And yeah, that is the story. The moral of the story is trust God, and tum karo aaram, ram karenge kaam. Basically, that day I realized that you have to just go with the flow, relax, and trust Him more than you would trust in anything else. When you put all your trust in Him, and then when you feel that He will take care about things, guess what? He really takes care of things. He really takes care of you. Yeah, He does. So yeah, that's the story about it. I hope you liked it. I know many of them won't relate, or maybe would also. I'm so grateful for it, and please share your such experiences. I would love to read it. I would really love to read it. And I'll try to be more consistent with the videos. Also, the fun part is, this is the same wall which I started my first YouTube video ever with, and right now I'm sitting this, and I was just doing this prep, okay, ki hi, hello kind of prep I was doing. And I was like, यार अदिति, हमने तो ये बड़ा सीरियस सोच के किया था, ये क्या हो गया, ये सब हमारी पटरी हिल कैसे गई है, and what are we doing, and ये सब हो गया था. एंड सो आई वाज लाइक, ठीक है, हम काम करते हैं, थोड़ा सा इस पर वर्क करते हैं, हम कंसिस्टेंट होना का ट्राई करते हैं, वापस से ट्राई करते हैं, अब इस वॉल से वापस से शुरुआत करते हैं, देखते हैं कहाँ जाते हैं, देखते हैं कहाँ चलते हैं. टिल दैट, खुश रहिए, उम्मीद ना हारिए, स्टे सेफ, टेक केयर, जय श्री राम, हैप्पी राम नवमी, and trust in God, trust in universe, believe it's going to go all well. It's very difficult on most of the days, I agree. On those days you have to watch this video. This is basically for my own self. But yeah, thank you for listening. If you are, I mean, thanks. Okay, chalo, I have a meeting. Bye bye.